Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you can connect your smart TV to your Android phone using your Bluetooth. So if you want to connect your Android TV with your phone using Bluetooth, what you should do is you can simply on your remote, you can navigate towards the settings on the top right corner and scroll down to remote and accessories. So in the remote and accessories, you can click on add a device on the very top. So when you click add the device, it will show you the option to pair, start pairing, and before you pair it is asking you that your device has a turned on Bluetooth. So on your device you can turn on your Bluetooth switch just like this. I have turned it on, and now on my Android TV I can click on OK to continue pairing. And now as you can see, the Android TV is showing up on my mobile device on my Android, so I can simply click on it and it will show the option to pair, and it is also showing me the name of my phone, so I can just simply click pair, and after clicking the pairing option on either my phone or my Android device, it is going to start pairing with the Android device. So as you can see, I have clicked pair, and on my phone it is showing that it is paired now with Android TV. It is showing on paired devices, and as here on smart TV you can also see my mobile phone is now showing up in the paired devices. So I hope it was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.